Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Circulon A1 Series with ScratchDefense Technology Nonstick Induction Cookware, a 9-piece set in a stylish graphite finish that promises a revolution in your kitchen. If you've ever been frustrated by pans that scratch easily, stick stubbornly, or fail to distribute heat evenly, then this set might just be the answer you've been looking for. Circulon, a name synonymous with innovation in cookware, claims this A1 series is their most advanced non-stick yet, designed to withstand extreme daily use. Let's break down what that really means for your cooking experience. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the ScratchDefense technology. Circulon states this non-stick has been laboratory tested to last 15 times longer than their previous generations, and even claims it can withstand over 200 years of simulated daily wear and tear. This is achieved through durable, aerospace-grade materials that create a thicker, harder surface. The promise is simple: no more scratching, no more sticking, and crucially, no more flaking. This is a significant claim, and if it holds true, it addresses a major pain point for many home cooks. The non-stick also meets or exceeds FDA standards for food contact safety, so you can cook with peace of mind. Beyond the non-stick itself, the construction of these pans is designed for performance. They feature a thick, edge-to-edge steel base that is induction suitable, meaning they'll work with all stovetops, including induction. This base is also designed to be warp-resistant, providing enhanced stability. The core construction combines aluminum for fast, even heat delivery with that robust stainless steel base for durability and heat retention. This dual-layer approach is key to achieving consistent cooking results without hot spots. Form and function are clearly a priority with this set. The tempered glass lids are designed to seal in heat and moisture, essential for tenderizing meats and infusing flavor into dishes. But Circulon has added some clever kitchen-friendly features that really make a difference. The saucepans come with straining lids, which allow you to easily drain water from pasta or vegetables without needing a separate colander. They also boast pour spouts on the saucepans, minimizing drips and spills when transferring liquids. These little details can significantly speed up your cooking and cleanup process. Another impressive aspect is the non-stick finish not only on the interior cooking surface but also on the exterior. This means your pots and pans will look newer for longer, resisting stains and making cleanup a breeze. And speaking of cleanup, Circulon explicitly states these are truly dishwasher safe. This is a big deal. Many dishwasher-safe pans can lose their non-stick properties or show wear after repeated cycles. The claim of being truly dishwasher-safe without sacrificing performance is a bold one that many users will be eager to test. Handling is also addressed. The handles are crafted from cast stainless steel with silicone grips. This combination aims to provide a comfortable, secure grip, improving balance and control while you're maneuvering pots and pans on the stove or transferring them to the oven. The oven-safe rating is also quite versatile. The cookware itself is safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the lids are safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a range of recipes that require finishing in the oven. This particular 9-piece set includes essential pieces for any kitchen: a 1-quart and a 3-quart saucepan, both with straining lids and pour spouts. You also get a 6-quart stockpot with a lid, a 3-quart sauté pan, and an 8.5-inch and a 10-inch frying pan. This selection covers a good range of everyday cooking needs, from boiling pasta and simmering sauces to searing meats and sautéing vegetables. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the extreme non-stick claims, if accurate, are a huge advantage. The durability and scratch resistance, coupled with the promise of longevity, mean this set could be a long-term investment. The induction compatibility and even heat distribution are critical for efficient cooking. The thoughtful design elements like straining lids and pour spouts, along with the non-stick exterior for easy cleaning, add significant practical value. The lifetime limited warranty also provides a strong sense of security and confidence in the product's build quality. However, there are always potential drawbacks to consider. While the ScratchDefense technology is impressive on paper, real-world durability can sometimes vary. We'll need to see how it holds up over extended periods of heavy use. The oven-safe temperature, while decent, might be limiting for certain high-heat roasting applications. Also, the description mentions an aluminum core for heat delivery, which is generally good, but some might prefer all stainless steel construction for its perceived ultimate durability, though that often comes with heavier weight and higher cost. Finally, the silicone on the handles, while providing a good grip, can sometimes degrade over very long periods or at high oven temperatures, though this is usually a minor concern. In conclusion, the Circulon A1 Series with ScratchDefense Technology non-stick induction cookware set looks incredibly promising. It addresses key frustrations with non-stick cookware, focusing on extreme durability and ease of use. The combination of advanced non-stick technology, robust construction, thoughtful design features, and a solid warranty makes it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. If you're tired of pans that don't last, stick, or scratch, this set is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.